Here we are to discuss about the speed control of the DC motor, where we are increasing and decreasing the speed of the motor by using pulse width modulation technique. In that we are varying the off period of the pulse width. The connection for the hardware setup that is required for the DC motor is shown here. This is the DC motor interface board, which is connected to the microcontroller board through a flat ribbon cable. To the microcontroller board, a plus 5 volt of supply is given through SMPS. To load the program onto the board through a RS-232 cable, it is connected to the PC COM port using an adapter. These are the connections that is required for the hardware setup. Now we will go for the program. The project is created similar to the assembly language program of 8051. The file is saved with the extension .c. And the settings for the hardware is done using the same steps as we have done for the square wave. So after this, the project is completely created and a hex file is created for the same. Now we will see how the motor runs. So once before loading the program, if I switch on the supply, the motor runs at the maximum speed. The motor rotation you can observe here. Now it is running at the maximum speed. Now let me stop it again. We will go for the program. So what we are doing here. So initially what we are doing is we will make the motor to run at a half of the maximum speed by writing a value of 7F to port 0. Port 0 is the output port. After that, we go for controlling the speed of the motor. To increase the speed of the motor, we are using the interrupt INT0, which is nothing but P3.2. And to decrease the speed of the motor, we are using the interrupt INT1, which is nothing but P3.3. So how the speed is decreased? The speed is decreased by increasing the count value, which is proportional to the off period of the pulse. And the speed is increased by decreasing the count value or the reducing the count value, which is proportional to the off period of the pulse again. Now we will load the program onto the controller. First I'll switch on the supply. As I said earlier, the motor is running at its maximum speed. Go for the debug session, start the session. The program has been loaded. Now we will give run. So once we have loaded our program onto the microcontroller, the speed of the motor has come to half of the speed now. Now we will go for controlling its speed. So first we will go for decreasing the speed of the motor, that is P3.3. The two interrupts are here given as push buttons on the microcontroller board. This is P3.3 INT1, P3.2 INT0. Go for the first press to decrease the speed of the motor. So the motor speed has been reduced. Go for the second press. The motor speed is reduced again. So between each press of the interrupt, give some time. Go for the next press. The motor speed has been reduced again. Next press. It has been reduced more now. You can observe here. Go for the next press. So the speed is reduced again. Go for the next. So almost the speed is reduced more. Go for the last. It has reduced. Go for the next press. So you can see here the motor has stopped. The motor run has stopped. So this is about decreasing the speed of the motor. Now we will go for increasing the speed of the motor. The interrupt is P3.2. Go for the first press. The motor has started running again. Go for the next press. Speed is increasing. Go for the next. Speed is increasing. Next, speed has increased more. Go for the next press. The speed has increased. So like this we can increase the or decrease the speed of the DC motor. Come out of the debug session.